Our next story is about SpaceX, the private spacecraft company controlled by technology mogul Elon Musk. It has signed a new contract with NASA worth $843 million to destroy the International Space Station. SpaceX will build a new vehicle which will bring the 430-ton International Space Station out of its long-time orbit of Earth, when its operating lifespan ends in a few more years. Here's a report.
2, 1, 0.
SpaceX, the privately held company controlled by tech mogul Elon Musk, has a new task on its hands: the death of the International Space Station. And NASA will pay SpaceX $843 million for this task. The International Space Station is the largest space station ever built. It was launched in 1998, and its crewed operations began in 2000. The station has been home to thousands of scientific experiments. They investigate all manner of phenomena, from the aging process in humans to discovering new types of materials. The station circles the Earth every 90 minutes, but now it needs to be pulled out of the orbit. The space station is structurally sound, but it needs to be disposed of in a few years. If the task is not completed properly, the laboratory can fall back to Earth. And this poses a big risk to populations on the ground. So NASA needs help. According to the agency's Director of Space, selecting a US deorbit vehicle for the International Space Station will help NASA and its international partners ensure a safe and responsible transition in low Earth orbit at the end of station operations. This decision also supports NASA's plans for future commercial destinations and allows for the continued use of space near Earth. Which is why NASA is involving SpaceX. The company will make a vehicle. It will latch onto the 430-ton International Space Station, which is roughly the size of a football field. Then, the vehicle will guide the craft as it plunges out of Earth's orbit. The deorbit vehicle will help the station slam back into the thick planetary atmosphere. Together, they will travel more than 27,000 kilometers per hour. And eventually, the station will be retired. Exactly when the space station will cease operations is not clear, but it's expected to happen in a few years. The US and Russia lead the International Space Station project. Europe, Canada, and Japan play supporting roles. All the partners have agreed to fund the station till 2030. NASA hopes that the space station will be ready for its retirement by then. And with that, it will be the end of an era.
Obviously today, the T20 World Cup Bangladesh has moved across to the West Indies. What can we expect from this?
Hello, I'm Alison Green, coming to you from Durban, South Africa. Today we have a special show.
We'll start with a report on India's shifting nuclear posture. For the first time since India officially became a nuclear power.
Hello and welcome to Firstpost America. I'm Eric Ham, coming to you live from the nation's capital, Washington, D.C.